Hi, in this video I want to quickly show you how to slide a vertex along an edge. To do that, just select the object you want to edit, press Tab to go into edit mode, press 1 to go into vertex select mode, and then go ahead and select a vertex. To get into slide mode, you can double tap G, and then you'll be in slide mode when you see the yellow bar there. And you can slide along any edge that's connected to the vertex that you selected. If I press escape to exit the mode, you can also get in there by pressing Shift V. So any of those two should work. And if you want to get past the limitation of hitting the next vertex, all you have to do is press and hold Alt. And then now you can slide past the vertex. And if you want to do that for any of the other connected edges, you'll have to release Alt to get over there first, and then press and hold Alt, and then now you can slide on that edge. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.